Next up, Joint Service Dressing First Aid Field Camouflage Sterile. Let's get her open. If I can. I just ripped the dang thing. Alright. Nice little ripperator. Open her up. There we go. Here's the field dressing. It says, put other side next to wound. Whew, smells as old as it looks. And here we go. This is what I was looking for in the last ones. Safety pins. These have very particular safety pins, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Attention to detail. Put something at the end so you couldn't get caught. So yeah, there we go, folks. What it looks like when it's opened up, you get shot. This is how you fix it up. Anyways, this is it for me, folks. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciated. And as always, take good care of each other, folks.